Okay, we are here. Ayan guys, ano, side naman ni Esme to. Ang ating kasama. Yeah. Dinner daw.
Your birthday, right?
Yeah, you want to look inside.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
No, both Francis.
Oh.
Inside or right here?
Ayan, tingnan natin ang loob. Shout out kay ate. Sa baba ako na pumunta. Doon sa taas.
Kaya, pati.
Sa taas. Yung table din.
Ilan, sir? Dalawa. Dalawa, sir. Hindi, di mo Amex lang yung wala kami sa card. Oo?
Dito na kami ulit sa Salakot. Malapit lang kasi sa amin to, mga ito.
Maya lang yan. Ang Maya.
Yung Amex lang wala. Amex lang.
Cool. Kulang pala ang tao sa haba ng mesa eh.
Hi, vlog!
Shout out guys sa mga ating mga tito, tita, yan, uncle, tita, Tito John, and Sherry, all the way from US. Yeah.
USA.
Right here.
Okay. Dito kami ah.
Mami, maamit din sa ka?
Yeah, that's right.
Specialty. Quite natural. Ano na lang po?
What number? What number?
Meron dito sa Luzon. Bulalo, pag nagkari-kari.
O yung solo sa ito, para marami
Lasing na hipon. Pakabit mo ano na yun. 10 pack, 16.
Madami na mamaya. Traffic na.
Sirik. No. Ano mo dyan na kaya? Gura.
Vlog muna tayo sa labas. Ayun mga idol. Marami nang dumating.
What? This what happened? Yeah. What happened? Si Superman namin to eh. What happened?
Parang tumaas na. Hila na yung ibeno ko, no?
Oh.
Clark, may paa, may hangin.
Wala pa din pa.
Ano nga pala nakalimutan?
Alin? Yeah.
Sabi ko dito kung Ana. Teka. Ipasal mo sa mga dyan doon.
Wait for upload on my YouTube channel.
Yes.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe, yeah.
Over there.
What?
We're gonna take a picture.
Yeah.
Because you
With a
still are
hat?
a blogger.
With my hat?
Yeah, you said you're a blogger, so you
Right, right.
Yun, itur.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's go blog, man.
That's right. Yes. Yes. You wanna try take a picture salakot wearing? That's a salakot.
That's how you do it.
There's a rope or something, so you can tie it. It's not like that. Like the one that gets.
This is Western stuff.
When the sun recover.
It's like Vietnamese.
Yeah.
I can take a picture of you here. I will do. Which one?
You have one.
Ayan. Western style. One, two, three. One more. One, two, three. Sige, mami. Gusto mo ko. Kaya malakot talaga.
Yes, yun, no? Maangal dyan, no?
Yeah.
Pangalan.
Yes.
Yes.
Come on, you'll sit over there.
Come on, sa gitna.
Recording?
Thank you.
There you go.
Oh, yeah. Hello, everyone. Nag-dinner kami rito sa Salakot with my tita and husband, Tito John. Tingnan natin itong boutique. Crafts. Ayun oh, marami silang mga ano rito, paninda. Mga souvenir item, all souvenir item. Shout out kayo. Meron pa ba ron? Tago muna sila. Ayan, tapos na silang mag-ikot sa loob. Ikot namin. Yes, no. Pasalubong.
Right. Next.
Meron din silang pasalubong dito. Yes, almost seeds.
We also have kangkong chip, Nicolas ang mayat.
And then we have some nuts, halo.
All
Yeah,
Some ice cream.
not halo-halo.
Oh, I like these refrigerator magnets.
Yes.
These would make good gifts to take home with you.
Habang nagantay ng pagkain. Dito, alin yung meron dito? Bonfire? Ah, dito sa kanan.
All different kinds of
So, cottage, hut.
Cabin. This way is the cafe. We also have a cafe. Mini cafe.
nice.
Yun sila oh. Habang nagantay kami ng pagkain guys. Diyan na, buso, sa kanan. Diyan sa fire. They have meron silang bonfire dito.
Wow.
If you don't want something that's very noisy, you can.
Good place to bring your date, huh?
No.
Have a nice dinner and enjoy relaxation in the hut. Yeah.
But I think there's also lots of mosquito here.
Yeah. Well, it's good to have the nets, though.
Yes.
This is a really cool idea. And the lighting.
Kubo.
Kubo.
Yes, kubo. It's made from a bamboo.
Bamboo, yeah.
Nipa hut.
Nipa hut. That's the word I was thinking. Nipa hut. Yeah. Very neat.
Mamarama also has kubo before. It's place to relax outside your house instead of terrace or.
Yes.
Alright. There is. Mati na yung pagkain namin.
Sa amin kasi may nadi-deliver pa.
Ano sa lang, fresh lumpia. Fresh lumpia.
Picture na pala.
Ayun. Eat all you can.
Welcome to my vlog. Smile.
All yung tao ngayon.
Happy birthday!
Ayaw ni Hana. Dito pa kita Roman. Kita Roman.
Sige pa ba? Okay. Please, sit down.
Cheese.
Yung bulalo. Wala pa ang bulalo kaya hindi pa kompleto.
No, still not.
On. Yan. Yeah. You're the artist.
Okay.
Ihanda na yung pusa.
Ayun, no? Oh, let's go. Ay, hiwa. Oh, tara na.
Okay.
Hindi naman picture, video naman to eh. Iihi daw siya. Ayan, doon. Oh. Wah. Dito masarap oh. Ano kayo? Buong magdamag. Yan. Oh, slowly. Lights. Yay!
Lighter. Up.
Up.
Daddy.
Daddy. Yay! Up. Let's go. Tara.
Daddy, fireworks.
Fireworks? No, wala namang fireworks eh. Oh,
Momo.
Mumu, baba na. Oh, tama na. Eh, naubos na. Oh. All the way down.
Ano gusto mo yung chicken? Tomorrow? Sabagay, halos araw-araw na chicken. Ng ano? Chicken?
Wow, you're so sweet.
Wow,
That's very nice of you.
you're adding too much weight now.
Yeah, really. Have to fast all day tomorrow and the day after.
Ay, lagyan mo sa paper bag ka namin.
Ay, ang sarap niya, promise.
Oh.
Yes. Ay, birthday pala si Nathan. Mayor! Hello! Policy Mayor.
Hindi na makakain, no?
You can bring it home.
Hindi na sila makakain, guys.
Or tomorrow.
Yes.
The next day after.
Salamat po.
Saka yung kanyang
Nathan.
Here. Have a bite.
Kumusta mami, hindi naman sobrang sweet?
That's so good. Low calories, right?
No calories.
No calories?
No calories.
No calories. Okay. I wish.
Ano yung mga pisa ni Esme yan? Side nila.
Yeah?
Doon ka na labas. Dito, dito. Dito ka, dito ka, dito ka. Bawro! Bate!
You can take it. How much is it? 11,000?
11,000.
995.
Ayun, no. Ubus na. Uwi na. We're going home. Ayun, uwi na. Uwi na kami. Busog na. Busog na kami lahat.
Color?
Color, white, and
Color?
green. And green. Color, red. Yeah.
Ayan.
Sama tayo kuya. Sa ano, sa
Robin,
Suhen.
sama ka na daw ka na namin.
Ilang kumain na.
Sama ka na daw. Kapit na ka Ayan, ayan.
Sama tayo na mami doon sa
Kasama ka na namin.
Kasama ako po din sa inyo.
Don't eat that, boy.
Yan. Guys, dito dyan. Sorry, sorry. Sorry ka dito dyan. Ito magkakaroon na.
Yun. Uwi na tayo. Thank you. Mga tito, titas.
Ay, nasa bar kayo?
Uwi na. Against the light tayo. Against the light. Yan. But, murang pagkain dito.
Okay, okay guys, don't forget to follow up.
Yeah.
Just hit the button below.
Don't skip ads.
Nagkalabas ko ito dyan doon, nakapag-ikot-ikot.
Dito ako, dito. Wow!
Tinitingnan ni guys. Big motor.
Yan guys, andito na kami sa bahay ng mga tito ni Commander. Yan, dito sila. Mamaya, uuwi na rin kami. Shout out sa lahat ng team dyan. Bye bye everyone.